Hello, diecast collectors. It's been a few weeks since I've made a video. Just been some life events that's happened, and usually you come down here to kind of get away from the norm and recharge, but just haven't had the capabilities of getting down here. My wife's father passed away a few weeks ago, so we're planning a funeral for him, and still got to do that. My younger son got an apartment in the St. Louis area and moved him last week in 100-degree weather. And I got a grandson. So, yeah, life has been busy. And this just makes this hobby more special because I know my kids are, this when something happens to me, this will be passed down to them. A few of them will keep some of the collection, and they're going to split it up, and then some of them will probably end up selling theirs. But it's kind of nice. I have a grandson now that there's going to be plenty of vehicles to split among all the grandchildren eventually, because I'm sure my collection will continue to grow as I did do an order right before Father's Day, so I did get these Johnny Lightning cars. So yeah, so let's look at some diecast here. I don't know if you guys have probably already got these, but this is release number 3. This is a 58 Chevy Corvette. Very cool car here. This one's kind of a bluish green color. One of 3004. There's some facts there. There's actually the color code for this car here. So this is version B, which on the card it's got a gray Corvette, which I think it's this one right here. So actually I've already got some of these models already, these castings, but I ordered these online a week or two ago because I knew I was going to start having to make some more videos. So did get to go to a couple flea markets over the weekend, this past weekend, so I have got some more different stuff, so I'll be making some videos on that. But this is really cool. I like this casting here. So the hood opens up, got the motor there, it's white top. This one here, I do like this. I say this casting. I have this red one here. It's really nice. This one, I got this one at a Hot Wheel meet about 2 years ago, I guess it was. So it was like a Christmas edition. Really like this red. So cool. So I got that one. So now I got about 3 of these for this year, or this year Corvette. Number 2 is an Oldsmobile, which is a 1970 Cutlass, which so the card is yellow, but the car is platinum poly. Again, one of 3004. So I do have that one in the yellow one already. There you go. This is pretty. I like the gray. The yellow's okay, but the gray is really nice. So that's that version. So now I got 2 colors of the same car. Next is number 3, which for some reason I don't remember picking up, and I know I picked up those other cars just off the peg, so they must not have had it. But I needed to get this one now, the green one, because I do not have this Plymouth in green. So I'm going to have to go on a hunt again and look for it. Because apparently I just picked those up. I picked those other ones up in the store and I did not order a whole set, so see if I can get the hood open. I'm afraid I'm going to chip it. I like to see the engine. Cannot get it. That's very nice. So this is metal. So Johnny Lightning's metal on the bottom, rubber tires. Very nice model. I like that. Now I am definitely going to get the green one. So I got this 71 AMC. Of course it's white, but it's purple on the card. And I already, again, picked up the purple one. I thought it was kind of cool. It opens. Again, nicely done model, I guess you want to say. Very detailed. So this is my second one of that. Very cool. Number 5 is a 68 Mercury Cougar in black onyx. So yes, I do got the red one. So I don't know why. I like to say I must have picked them off the pegs, and they just didn't have. So those two sets two sets of cars here I didn't get. I didn't get the Roadrunner, and then there's the next one I didn't get either, which is a Mercury Cyclone. So red and black. So I like the red pinstripe around the wheels. So the wheels are just a little off a bounce. Flat top makes it look like a vinyl top. So the last one, number 6 of this release, 3, is a 1970 Mercury Cyclone. So I'm not sure why I didn't pick it up. Again, might not have been on the peg. This one's in competition blue. These are all pretty cool cars. So just 6 more to add to your collection. So definitely all 6 of them are winners for me. If you just collect certain cars, then I bet you the most of the cars that somebody would collect would be the Roadrunner, the Plymouth here. Out of all of these 6, this one would probably be the most, I think, wanted vehicle. But the Gremlin's pretty cool too. So there's the set of 6 cars, plus I already had the other version in different colors to add. So I'm definitely going to look for the green one. So there you have it, Johnny Lightning. I ordered these online, the 6, just to make sure I got all of them. And alright, stay after video. I'll have just some still pictures of them, and then I got some, like I say, a couple of flea market just a couple cars that I'd picked up off the flea market. So we'll catch you on your next video. We'll see you. Bye.